Time for a triple play. 3 stocks that we're watching in the final 30 minutes of trading, final 10 minutes of trading today. We've got Krispy Kreme, Petco, and Starbucks. Kicking it off with Krispy Kreme. Volume on the stock today soaring to more than 7 times the typical average here. It's the biggest intraday jump that we have seen in just about 10 months. And the move higher comes after Truist upgraded Krispy Kreme to a buy. They say that the deal with McDonald's to sell some of its donuts in select restaurants is, quote, underappreciated and could help boost brand awareness and also potentially drive sales. They also think a normalization in the dollar will help Krispy Kreme, given the fact that the company has been growing its international exposure. Now, shares have soared since the start of the year, skyrocketing more than or just around 50% since January 1st here. And Allie, when we take into account everything that has happened with Krispy Kreme, obviously this McDonald's partnership, I think, is so smart. It's just in Kentucky. I think a lot of people, a lot of investors, shareholders want to know if they're planning to expand it beyond that state, given the fact that it seems like it has been a success so far.
I think they certainly should consider expanding it, and I do agree with this analyst that I think that is a largely underrated part of this business. And you were talking about some of the improvements in foreign exchange, and about a third of Krispy Kreme's sales comes from international markets. So that's a potential tailwind. This analyst also cited the fact that more people are returning to the office as a good play. Also saying that Krispy Kreme is one of the few packaged goods companies to post meaningful volume growth in 2023. So as long as they can continue to add to that top line growth as competitors decelerate, that's a strong move for this buy rating.
Yeah, this is really the new fast food wars, is breakfast. Jumping off the McDonald's aspect of this, Wendy's is pouring money into it. Taco Bell is pouring money into it. Obviously, Dunkin' Donuts is pouring money into it, and they're going with breakfast tacos is their new launch. In fact, just launched breakfast tacos today. And Taco Bell's CEO, Mark King, said, we have to go after McDonald's. It represents $1 billion sales opportunity. We have to commit to beating our rivals. This is really the place to watch. What used to be the chicken sandwich wars, I think, is now the extra opportunity of breakfast, and that's what to watch for all these fast food companies in the years ahead.